Your Honor, I'm a working man. I make $24 an hour and I'm paying his rent and
And
utilities. I'm living
sir,
off credit cards.
sir, sir, you know, every time you
Hold up, he hasn't paid rent since June of last year. That's over half a year living rent-free. Would you let that slide, drop a common landlord or not? How would you handle this asterisk?
state your names.
Michael
Kevin
Scott
J.
Stone.
Smith, sir.
Where are we on this?
He has failed to pay me any rent or for the utilities since June of last year and refuses to pay. And I wish you to order a 10-day where he'll be removed by the sheriff within 10 days.
And did you send a copy of this information to him?
Yes, sir, I did. He received it yesterday at 2:33 p.m.
You have the documents?
Yes, text messages and yeah, it's nothing, Your Honor. He's just
So
trying
I'm
to
gonna have to
confuse
set
you.
this for trial. I do my trials in person. You're down in Florida. He's here. When I read through them, they're at least what potentially could be colorable defenses. I don't know until I hear the testimony.
Your Honor, I'm a working man. I make $24 an hour and I'm paying his rent and
And
utilities. I'm living
sir,
off credit cards.
sir, you know, every time you come here, you try to tell me how this is going to be.
No,
You have property here in Michigan. You may be down in Florida. You may be a working man. I consider myself that too. This happens to be my job. My part of my job is setting a date for these trials to get them resolved. Now, if what you want to do week after week is sit here and try to lecture me on what Michigan.
Judge Fleisher says, this happens to be my job. That's his polite way of saying stop lecturing me and let me do it. He's making it crystal clear this court runs on Michigan law, not personal frustration.
Law should do, then I'll just keep setting it every week. He'll come back. You'll just try to give me that lecture and we'll just move on. I'm trying to resolve the case. So I'm going to set a trial date.
So today's not the trial date?
No.
Okay.
I'm going to set a trial date. Maybe you didn't appreciate what I said. That
Yes.
trial date will be in person.
Well,
If you had listened to the case before, I realize there are people out of state. I will try to accommodate that the best I can. So I'm going to set a trial date in person. I can set it for February 18th or March 11th.
Your Honor,
Your preference?
Can I have an attorney represent me there?
February 18th, sir. The reason being is because
I don't care.
Yes,
I
sir.
didn't ask that. Can you be here February 18th, sir, for a trial?
Can I hire an attorney to represent me there?
Pardon?
Can I have an attorney be there present for me?
Absolutely. You can have an attorney here.
Okay.
Landlord's confused, and honestly, a lot of people are at this point. Why is the tenant still there? Well, here's the deal. Without a trial and a legal ruling, eviction isn't automatic. The system protects both sides, even if it feels slow.
That might be wise, because then I don't get lectured.
Yes, Your Honor. So,
non-jury trial in this matter
Your Honor,
will be set February 18th,
yes, Your Honor.
2025, 9 a.m. in person. I will allow testimony over Zoom, but there needs to be a party here. Yes, sir.
Is on what basis is any of this evidence going to allow him to continue to stay there free? I don't understand.
Pardon?
There's nothing in any of this that it gives him the right to continue to stay there for free. I don't understand.
Then get an attorney, and then maybe then you'll have some clarification if you listen to it.
Okay. I don't understand his claim of how he can continue to stay there for free. There's nothing in those papers.
Okay, just because you rephrase the question doesn't change my answer.
Okay. All right. So I will have an
Sir,
attorney.
you had a question?
not a question, Your Honor, a statement that I would like to make, please.
Oh. About what?
Mr. Stone and the status of the condominium, sir.
And the status of the condominium?
Yes, sir.
In terms of, go ahead. It's got to be brief, and I may cut you off.
Yes, sir. Very brief, very short. Mr. Stone has known since, I'm sorry, Your Honor. Mr. Stone has known since 2022 that he should have the place registered as a rental property. Mr. Stone received.
That is a defense, and that you will raise at a trial. I
Yes, sir.
set a trial date, and God help me, I'll be here to hear all of it.
Yes, sir.
18th,
9 a.m. sir.
9 a.m. in person. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I don't want to call it another.